I started doing videos recently. Well, at least there's some action here. I did the Calgary parade, you know, on YouTube. Yeah, 800 views up till now. That one was the highest but if I do my private videos or nothing.
Yeah.
It's just for fun. Is it okay I put you on? Okay. Oh, that one was flying into my camera. It's cold weather, so they love it, right? To be fed.
He's mesmerized by the sound of that.
My sister can watch it. She's in Switzerland. My sister, yeah.
Your sisters can watch it?
I can send it to her. I'm not sending any more to her unless if it's really something better. But
you want to wait for a good video.
yeah, because she's getting sick of all my videos.
Okay.
And one of them, she said it looked like there was an earthquake because I keep moving around with my camera.
It's better to film stuff here than in Switzerland, you think?
I don't know. She could.
There's more stuff to film.
There might be some in Switzerland too, yeah. But I don't know. Maybe in April I can go. Right now I'm into debts, so I have to get rid of my debts first.
Oh, I see, yeah.
I don't want to add more to it unless absolutely necessary.